Howdy and welcome back to my channel. Today I will unbox an olive green scarf I bought from Aliexpress. It's 100% cotton, perfect both for winter and summertime. Let's open the package. As always, the package is well made from Aliexpress. Here it is. Beautiful color. I like this washed and wrinkled casual look of the fabric. It is soft and seems warm to me. I really like this fabric. It is thin, perfect for a four-season scarf in my opinion. I use a lot this kind of scarf. It's comfortable and convenient. Can be used anytime and on every kind of outfit. You can buy it in 5 colors: black, blue, green, khaki, and pink. They are all beautiful. I choose the green one and I love it. It's a fantastic scarf indeed. Excellent for cycling or hiking in any climate. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoy this content. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.